Okay, featured here is a die matrix DM9. It's graphite, good condition, has one small scratch on it and a little bit of wear here and there, but nothing real big. It's in good shape overall. I'll show you the scratch. It's right up at the top by where the barrel goes in. You can see it right there. Right there, no big deal. Very nice gun. Shoots beautifully. This gun is, we took this in on trade. It's very clean, all stock. A little bit of wear on the jewel there on the right side. Of course, it's got the UL frame. They all do. Very nice shape. There is another little nick right on the trigger frame below the trigger. You can see it right there. Again, nothing big, but a little bit of wear here and there on it. But hey, for $700, what a deal. Of course, we take trades at TradeMyGun.com. We have new and used guns. Huge selection. Very nice gun.